Hello everyone, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. I hope everyone is doing well, and I'm so glad you are back visiting my channel again. I am using my little flower travel hair dryer blower, and got my torch. This is a commission piece for a very close you could say relative. She's more like a daughter to me. This is for her bathroom, and she wants a black and white split base, kind of Dutch Poorish theme. Her bathroom is black and white, but she wanted a little gold in it. So I decided to use Amsterdam Oxide Black, Amsterdam Titanium White, that's for the base. And then I'll also put these colors in the little branches that I go out on. And Arteza Gold. I've never tried Arteza Gold before, so we're going to give that a shot. And I have Amsterdam Pearl White. So we're going to do that too. And these paints are rather thin. I mixed them with Untinted house paint and Minwax polyurethane, because I just finished, and I don't think it's on my YouTube yet, but I did a kind of like a starburst like you would see on Molly's Artistry YouTube channel. And I used Harmony House's 2-part pouring medium, and it dried like it is resined. It is like absolutely, it's bright. So I forwent the Floetrol and decided I would just thin this down a little bit and use those and see how they work. So we will find out and see. Pretty sure I have all the clumps out of this. Just double checking. Of course, I have way too much paint, but I always do. This is a Master's Touch 16 by 20 triple primed canvas. Let's get started. I'm going to save a little bit of this white and black because I'm going to use it in my little, when I branch off. So trying to stay in focus with you guys. So, and now the black. And I'm still in my pajamas. I work from home now, so I just basically shut down my computer for the day and moved over here and started mixing paint. So she got in touch with me last night and wanted this done, so I told her I'd do it the next couple of days. So I went ahead and figured I'd knock it out for her. Plus it gives me a reason to see her. I'm going to see her that much. So I'm putting on there. Put that over there. Yeah, so I basically still have my pajamas on. I have my fuzzy socks on. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, thanks for bearing with me guys, I'm going to go out with black on this side and kind of go out with white on this side. So, that I'm just going to take this stick and kind of, the way I'm going to do it is it's going to kind of that. I don't want a whole bunch, just want a little bit. And then the white, I'm I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Start with the white and kind of go over. That. So that's the Oxide Black and Titanium White by Amsterdam. And then I'm going to put the gold in. Now I'm going to use just a little bit of the pearl white. Very subtle. And I'm going to add a little bit of white. So I'll have a little bit of flow. Okay, so now I'm just going to blow this out. Okay, that's really, really pretty. Very, very pretty. And I'm going to add a little more here so that I can blow it down. Add a little black. Comes. Add ooh, ooh. It's very pretty, very elegant. Love it. Coming down. Just wanted a little bit of color. Okay, I'm just going to try this again. Can go over the place. Well, I think I had too much black in there. Let's try it again. We'll get it right in a minute. Okay, let's try it. Try it now. part just don't want to work. It just doesn't want to work. Maybe, I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, I don't know why that's not it's not working. I'm kind of upset about it. I'm gonna try this one more time. Let's see. That's about as good as I'm gonna get. I don't want to mess it up anymore. But that looks okay. I think I can deal with that. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. I wonder if I can blow this out a little bit. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Just a little more, guys. Oh, how pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it. And look at me. Look at me mess with it. Pretty. Okay, I think she's gonna love it. Stop. All right, I am completely done with this. And stop right here. Yeah. That is so pretty. All right, guys, I am going to touch this up and I will bring you down for a closer view. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, wet result. It's really pretty. It's just kind of flowy and wispy. Beautiful. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I can't wait to show it to you dry. There's that spot that I worked on forever, but it's all right. It's on the black. I think that's why I was trying to make it better and I couldn't. Look at that. It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty elegant. All right, guys, drive result next. Hey everybody, welcome back. It is dry results time. Okay, so this is the drawed result of the oval that I painted for practically, you could say that she's my daughter because I love her just like a daughter. If I had a daughter, it would be her. So Raven, this one is yours. And it is absolutely beautiful. I just poured it yesterday. It's dried completely. I did use the mix that I used, the pouring medium mix that I used to add to my paints in the Starburst video, which is the really bright 20 by 20, kind of looks tie-dye almost video. You'll have to go check that out because it was really cool to make. And I used the pouring medium that Lisa Nuff uses on Harmony House. 2 ingredients: the Untinted House Paint by Valspar and some Minwax polyurethane varnish. It's clear varnish. I used that and mixed it with my paints, and then I thinned them down with water for a Dutch pour consistency so that the blow dryer could blow it around a little bit. We had a little bit of problems down here at the bottom. And as you can see, there's not very many cells that were produced in this, but she just redid her bathroom and she wanted black and white with a little gold. And we're going to resin it so that when, the bathroom gets all steamy, it's not going to harm her canvas. So I will get to that pretty soon. But I just wanted you guys to see it. It's so pretty. I think this is like my favorite piece that I've ever created. I say that a lot, but this is one of them. So I'm just going to show you guys a close-up of it. It's so pretty. Anyway, so yeah, I'm probably going to maybe start using small amounts of Floetrol in my mixes, but it will be interesting to see how we progress with this 2-part pouring medium that doesn't consist of Floetrol, US Floetrol. So I'm excited to go down that journey, and I hope that you join me. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me to be doing these YouTube videos and for you to be here with me. Please remember that at 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away some awesome things. So if you will go find the giveaway video, and if you are a subscriber and you haven't commented on that video, you will need to comment on that video for me to be able to put you in the random comment picker for that video when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Please share. Please let people know about me. I'm here to just share what I've learned and continue to make great art. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. You have a good day.